trading recap. So as you can see, I did not took any trades again, so let's talk about why. So on the one session we had a big sell-off, so we had the slightly bearish Asian session, and then the one session open. Here we had this move higher, and then we just collapsed after. So for the day I was bearish and bullish at the same time. Bearish if we swept an high, and bullish if we swept a low. So since that at the market open we did not add any sweep of an high, I was bullish, expecting to see a sweep of important lows, and then we try to find longs after the reaction of the sweep. So here we had a lot of levels that I waited to see getting swept. So let's see if it can show you. We had 4-hour fair value gaps here. It's having a problem to download the 4-hour. So here we had a 4-hour fair value gap. So here that was my first level that I waited to see a reaction. So here we had this 4-hour fair value gap that got retested. So I just switched to the 1-minute time frame here. After this retest and started looking for longs, we had the reaction here. Then we created this bullish fair value gap. We had this bearish fair value gap that I marked, and here we retested the bearish fair value gap, then we reacted, gone lower. After that we still respected the bullish fair value gap, but then gone a bit higher, and then just lost the fair value gap. So here I was bearish again, waiting to see another sweep. So I just switched to the 15-minute time frame again, and I had more levels that I would wait to see reaction. I had marked this Asian low, and after that I had this other low, the New York low and the London low, and also this low that has a 4-hour fair value gap below. I don't know why, but the 4-hour time frame is it's a bit slow, so I cannot show you. But here we had this liquidity level with a 4-hour fair value gap. So this was my other level of reaction. So here we swept, and then we only had a reaction here at the 4-hour fair value gap, and after this sweep, so I just switched to the 1-minute fair value gap, 1-minute time frame again, and I just waited to see a reaction. So here it was my key level, so below bearish, above bullish. We also have this bearish fair value gap that got inverted, retested, and then we gone higher again. Here we had this inverted fair value gap, retest, then we had a reaction higher, but I know that I said that above and I'm bullish, below I'm bearish. I know that we are above and I could enter here, but the market, I don't like to take trades after the first hour of the market, so, and it's already 16 and 33 minutes. The market opened at 14 and half, so the market is open for 2 hours. I don't like to take trades in the second hour, so if we had this move in the first hour, I would enter here at the retest, but it's already the second hour of the session, so I'm not very interested here. I think that the real move has already happened here at the sell-off. I don't know if we will have a big reaction here and a continuation higher. I don't know. Maybe we just consolidate lower, but I'll stick to my plan, that is to only take a trade in the first hour of the market. So I think it's the best now, because as you can see here, we're going higher, then we're going lower, and now it's just going sideways. I don't think that we have a lot of liquidity here, so I'll just ignore this inverse fair value gap, and I will not take a trade today. I think it's the best to do. It's what my strategy suggests, so I'll not take a trade today. I think the real move has already happened, so I don't see a reason to long here. So it is what it is. I think that I have already said what I wanted to. So no trades for today. Tomorrow I'll be back. So if you like the video, like and subscribe, and see you tomorrow.